JD. Hey, baby. Jeff, stand up. Come to Papa.
Tattoo, where's your poopy butt?
Hey, JD.
Your little bum bum.
You're on camera.
Or for clean your little nose?
Stand up.
Go ahead, big boy.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi, uncle, auntie, grandpa, grandma, cousin. And I got this right here. Come here, baby. Grab the ball. Ball? Get the ball for Dada. Get the ball for Daddy. Ball? Ball? What is that? That? What is that?
Ball.
Ball. How does it? What did it call?
Ball.
Yeah, come give it to Daddy.
Ball.
Come here, bring it to Papa. Ball? Give it to Daddy. Give it to Papa. Right here, baby. Come here, Jeff. Ball? Yeah, give me the ball too. Okay? Please? Ball?
Ball.
Ball. Grab it for Papa. I'll hold the paper for you. Okay, grab it. Okay, sorry. Grab me the ball. Okay, this is yours too. Alright. I guess you're not interested in the ball right now. Ball? Bye, JD. This is what JD's been up to. Everybody, that's a quick update. The boy, baby growing into a boy.